Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra versus Yamaha R1. We'll dive into the thrilling world of high-performance vehicles, examining how a legendary sports car measures up against an agile superbike. This isn't just about raw speed, it's about understanding their unique engineering, driving experiences, and what makes each machine truly special. Get ready to explore the distinct advantages of both the Supra and the R1. The Toyota Supra is a formidable sports car, known for its balanced performance and engaging driving experience. Under the hood, it boasts a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, delivering 382 horsepower. This allows the Supra to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 3.9 seconds. It's a car designed for exhilarating road driving and track days, offering impressive stability and control. Shifting gears to two wheels, the Yamaha R1 is a true superbike, built for incredible speed and agility. Its compact 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine produces nearly 200 horsepower, yet the bike weighs only about 443 pounds. This exceptional power-to-weight ratio allows the R1 to blast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 seconds. It's a machine engineered for the racetrack, offering unparalleled acceleration and cornering capabilities. So, which is better? It truly depends on your preference and purpose. The Toyota Supra offers a powerful, comfortable, and engaging sports car experience for two, perfect for spirited drives or track days. The Yamaha R1, on the other hand, delivers raw, unadulterated superbike performance, ideal for the track or experienced riders seeking ultimate thrills. Both are engineering marvels, excelling in their distinct domains, offering incredible performance and excitement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.